Well, that was a little bit strange. We've had a package delivered. And judging by what it says on the package, I can guess who this is from. Let's open it up and take a look what's inside. Right, so here's the moment of truth. What is in our package from York Maze? And bear in mind, this isn't something that we've ordered, so I have no idea what is on the inside of here. So let's take a look. So first off, seems to be quite a bit in here. We have received an invite. Good quality. Darren Judson, you are invited Friday the 10th of October 2025, 6:30 till 11:30 p.m. Be our RIP guest and experience a terrifyingly entertaining night of fear and fun. And it goes into some details as to what is included on our invite there. But it's access to the scare houses, fairground rides, etc. I mean, that in itself is me done and dusted. And honestly, an invite to York Maze Hallowscream is enough for me. Even without receiving an invite, I'd be there in an absolute heartbeat, paying full price to attend on opening night, because we absolutely love it. But to receive the invite, that is absolutely just amazing, and we couldn't thank them enough. But for those of you that want to see what is in this package, I'll share what's in the package now, and then I'll go into a little bit more about Hallowscream after we've shown you what's on the inside. A little flexible Hallowscream fridge magnet, Corny the Clown pin badge. We also have a couple of really nice quality sew-on patches. We've got some crepe paper, some multi-purpose headgear. To be honest, I love the Hallowscream logo so much that I'm tempted to just hang that like a flag on the wall behind me. And this, now this is special. 1 minute. They know me so well. It's a Hallowscream beanie. I cannot believe we've got that. That is absolutely brilliant. And then we have, if we can focus, we can't focus. Anyway, you can see it's a Hallowscream pen. There's a final gift in here. It's a severed finger. Ridiculously realistic as well. That's a thumbnail right there. It's actually tagged from a morgue. And this finger belongs to a deceased person. And the name of the deceased is Darren Judson. The cause of death is shitting myself at Hallowscream. The date of death, in an omnipresent twist, is Friday the 10th of October 2025. And the time of death is estimated to be somewhere between 6 p.m. and 11:30 p.m. Now that is a fantastic touch, highly personalised as well, with it having all of the details of the date of my death on there. Thank you, Hallowscream. And my own severed finger, which I am genuinely going to have so much fun with playing with this at work. That is incredible. And that is it. So that is our package from Hallowscream. Now, firstly, I just want to say an absolute massive thank you to York Maze and everyone that works there. Not only for inviting us down to be a part of the press event, but for this package as well. It means the world to us, and it's honestly not expected at all. Now, I know a lot of people with promotions such as this, where people are receiving free gifts and free invites, they tend not to believe a word they're saying. But trust me, go back and look through all of our previous vlogs about Hallowscream. It is an incredible event, and we would be there on opening night regardless of whether we were invited or not. We've been going for around 10 years now. The only time that we've missed it is during COVID. We have a long history there way before we started vlogging, and we couldn't sell it enough to you. It's absolutely incredible. And that is Judventures, the massive fan of scare events talking, not Judventures, the people that have been invited to the event. You want to grab yourself some tickets for this. They are on sale at 10 o'clock today, Friday the 13th of October. So get yourself some tickets now. Honestly, there's a whole range of tickets available for you. Now, Hallowscream, I'm going to go into a little bit of what you can expect. So if you just wanted to see the package, that's fine. You can switch off now. If you'd like to know a little bit more about Hallowscream at York Maze, then by all means, stay tuned. We're going to make this quick fire, but here is what you can expect from Hallowscream York Maze. It is a highly immersive and entertaining scare event. It contains 5 scare attractions. Now, those 5 scare attractions are Redneck's Revenge, which is a gut-wrenching hillbilly fright fest; Corny's Carnival, a twisted funhouse filled with killer clowns; The Flesh Pot, a meat-packing horror with chainsaws and plenty of gore; The Singularity, which is a dystopian human-robot sci-fi adventure nightmare; and Necropolis, a brand new Egyptian-themed horror maze. Honestly, these mazes are absolutely brilliant. You will find 2 bars, free on-site parking, a fairground, a huge food court with tons of absolutely brilliant food in there, and then you'll have an absolutely brilliant stage show. And I mean, these shows are on almost every sort of 15-20 minutes throughout the evening. There's pyrotechnics, there's dancing, there's dirty jokes. It is fantastic. And as well as that, you have some of the best roaming actors in any of the events we've ever been to in the UK, if not the best roaming characters. As I mentioned, tickets are on sale now, 10 o'clock, Friday the 13th of June. Go over, because there's 4 ticket types ranging from your standard ticket all the way up to like super VIP. You're going to struggle to find an event as good as York Maze Hallowscream anywhere in the country. They are one of the best in our opinion, so we highly recommend that you go and grab those tickets now. Once again, thank you very much to York Maze, not only for the invite, but for everything that came with the invite as well. We genuinely would turn up regardless of the invite or not. We absolutely love York Maze. So after all these years, to be able to work with York Maze and receive things like this, it really does mean the world to us, and we genuinely can't thank everyone up there enough. Not only for this, but for the hard work that you do each and every year to make Halloween an incredibly special time, not only for us, but for everyone that attends. Thank you to every single person that works there. Now, if you've liked this video, please by all means hit that like button for me. Comment down below, let me know, are you going to York Maze Hallowscream this year? Have you been before, and what are your thoughts on the event? And if you'd like to see our vlog from when we do go to York Maze this year, as well as an array of other scare events that we'll be going to throughout the scare season 2, then please, by all means, smash the subscribe button. It really is appreciated, and you're not going to want to miss some of the stuff that we're doing this year either. With that being said, thank you once again, York Maze. Thank you everyone for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Goodbye.
Ride with Judventures, you know the name. Theme parks and attractions and kick-ass days. You got the big bearded husband, a beautiful blonde wife, and a cool young lad just living their best life. I'm the guy with the camera, beard game strong. Catch me in a scare maze, come scream along. News and reviews, I'm dropping the facts. Ride POVs and honest reacts. So follow the journey from scare to scream. Judventures, baby, let's live the dream.